A movie of you so you can see yourself later. So you are a baby cat. We are live at Pizza Pet with baby cat. And she already has her baby paws. So she's ready to be baby cat.
No, don't touch mine. Oh, wet.
It's a little wet?
No, look at my pig.
You got some claws here. Let me give you a face. You need ears. Kitty has ears. And Kitty has nose. And Kitty has mouth. Doesn't she? Get all this on baby. So pretty. Good girl. Now Kitty needs her pink. Let's have some pink on our little good girl. Can you close your eyes? Mommy's showing you yourself. Can you close your eyes again? Now let's put some sparkles on you. Can you close your eyes? Will you close them? Good girl. Don't open because I want to make you... Don't open. Close them again. Close them again. Close your eyes. Good girl. Now you've got to have a little baby nose. Wow. For your pretty eyeshadow, will you gently close your eyes? Close your eyes, baby.
I know, that's a great one.
And don't open, honey. I want to try it for you. Oh, good girl. Let's do other side, okay? Gently close. And don't open. And don't open till I dry it. Gotta try it. Let me try it. Good girl. Gonna have a bow because you're a girl. A fancy cat. Let's give you a bow. And let's have some pretty fur. And let's have some pretty fur over here. And here's your kitty mouth. I think the camera might be in front of the other movie.
Being such a good girl, Morgan.
She's small. She's 16.
Mom.
14.
Now I'm going to do some details, okay? To make it very fancy, okay? Because you're so beautiful. You're so pretty.
We can't find 15. It was on one of our parties. We don't know anyway. I guess we did. Okay, ready? Okay, yeah, I told her when she's done here. Yeah. I know. Oh, no, like everybody's doing my party's not ready. I just want her to
Let me see little baby face. Let's give you some little kitty whiskers, okay?
You're almost done.
1,
Cool.
2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And some little, almost done, because this is a beautiful cat. Baby.
Yeah.
So long.
Food is ready when you guys are ready. Okay. That's gorgeous.
Let me change spots with Mama Cat, okay? And then come over here. You gonna go have some nice, yummy supper? Cause you're a baby cat. You gonna have some cat food? What do cats eat? Do they eat pizza? Do they? Are you pizza eating cat? You are so pretty. Let me. Can you gently hold very, very, very still?
How old is she? She'll be 3 this month, actually. Yes, we'll be back here on the 22nd.
Oh, that's a birthday?
Mm-hmm.
I have one the 19th and the 29th.
Right. Presenting the one, the only, the beautiful, the magical baby cat. Hi, baby cat.
January is such a long
Look right at the camera and tell me what a kitty says.
January.
What's a kitty say?
Like